Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a video that was going around for a long time, but at the time when it was trendy I just didn't feel like doing it, so I didn't. But it's I tried following a blank tutorial, and I wanted to try following the NaturalNeiicey tutorial that she did using the Melanin Haircare products, because I'm obsessed with those products. And I remember when she first did the video a couple of weeks ago, I was obsessed with her results and I just felt like doing this video. So here we are. Here I am in my painting t-shirt with my white paint on it, and yeah, hair looking not so cute. And let's go ahead and jump right into this process. All right, so first let me get my screen recording down and let's get this party started. Okay,
now let's get some old school Nieicey B-roll. I have a lot of flaky flakes.
Girl, me too.
My hair is extremely dry.
Girl, me too.
Scalp, so I'm gonna use the pure oil blend on my scalp.
I will also use a pure oil blend on my scalp.
Baobab oil, argan oil, and
just make sure it was coming out.
So it says that it's lightweight and non-greasy.
Do better.
Rich blend is curated to help soften, detangle, seal, and lock in the moisture, and sort of doing a deep side part.
Then I want to sort of do a deep side part.
Do whatever to it.
Oh, hold on. Can we call that a deep side part? I think we can.
Perfect. You know, just copy that over. I got the snap bottle. So good. Check out my body. That's it. So now I'm going to go in with the Twist Elongating Style Cream, and my hair doesn't really need elongating. It doesn't shrink or anything like that, especially when it's in this
Mine does.
On a wet twist out, yes, but
okay.
When I do it on dry hair, like, I'm good.
You're right. Same.
Can't really put my hands on it, but it's a very light scent. Kind of smells like cocoa or something, but super light. So this is designed to make your hair more manageable, disentangles, and not distraught benefits from shape layer, and I really like it right off the hand. And I'm gonna apply as I think I need. Like this, I don't think will be enough for my hair, so I'm gonna apply a little bit more. So I just realized my hair is a little bit too dry for my liking, so I'm gonna spritz a little bit of water.
I need water. Hold please. All right, we're back. Hair has been spritzed. Let us resume.
And then I'm just gonna flat twist. I make sure to flat twist like.
Oh, not there yet. Dash is walking around all in front of me right now, which you guys can see. Alright, I don't know what kind of part we're doing here, but it's happening, okay? Okay. I feel like I have less twist than her because she has more hair than me, and I personally feel disrespected, but it's fine. Fine.
Oil, just to give me some more shine, even though I already have a lot of shine.
All right, I'll be back tomorrow. Alright guys, so these are my results. I'm pretty happy with them. As you can see, this part right here is pretty straight. I think that is my fault, because the way I twisted my hair, I feel like I should have done like smaller flat twists, not like smaller sections, but the individual like sections of the twist should have been tighter. And also, this part of my hair is a completely different curl pattern than like the crown of my head, which is the curliest because my hair is naturally curlier in the crown. This is like more of like it dries like kind of wavy. So I feel like I should have probably applied a little bit more water and, like I said, twisted tighter. But other than that, I'm pretty impressed. I still feel personally attacked by how gorgeous Neicey's hair turned out, but like that's just me. I personally feel attacked. But no, I'm pretty impressed with the results. I would change a couple things up next time, you know, for my struggle hair, but all in all, I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link Neicey's video below in case you haven't seen it, and in case you want to just be obsessed with her hair like I am, you can go do so. So yeah, that is it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, real quick, I'm back. I twisted my hair and put a bobby. Oop, hold on, you're not supposed to see her. We'll replace it with a black one. And I twisted it and put like a little bobby pin in there. So I felt like this looks cute, and I'm gonna leave it in. And then when I unravel it, I feel like it'll be more uniform with the rest of the curls. But for now, I feel like this is a cute hairstyle. I'm very happy with the results now. Okay, bye again.